Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Earning money through the eBay Partner Network involves leveraging affiliate marketing strategies to promote eBay products and drive traffic to the platform. Begin by signing up for the eBay Partner Network and obtaining your unique affiliate links or banners. These links are tied to your account and track the traffic you drive to eBay, ensuring you earn a commission on qualifying sales generated through your referrals. To maximize earnings, identify your niche or target audience. Focus on promoting products that align with your audience's interests or needs. You can create content, such as blog posts, reviews, or videos, highlighting eBay products that resonate with your audience. Ensure that your content provides value and is informative, helping potential buyers make informed purchasing decisions. Utilize various marketing channels to promote eBay products. This can include your website, blog, social media platforms, email newsletters, or YouTube channels. Implement SEO strategies to optimize your content for search engines, increasing visibility and attracting organic traffic. Engage with your audience by fostering a community around your niche, encouraging interaction and trust. Continuously track and analyze your performance through the eBay Partner Network dashboard. Monitor the effectiveness of your promotional strategies, identify high-performing products, and refine your approach based on the data. Experiment with different marketing tactics. Test your content and adapt to changes in consumer behavior or market trends to improve your earnings potential. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires persistence, patience, and adapting to evolving strategies. Building a successful affiliate marketing business with the eBay Partner Network involves creating valuable content, understanding your audience, and continuously optimizing your promotional efforts to drive traffic and generate sales.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.